guys, Lau from the lab. Today we're talking about 5 things that you might not know or handy things to do with iOS. The first one is called AirDrop. If you don't know what AirDrop is basically transferring photos from one device to another, and all Apple based. So it's as simple as, if you guys watch, I just go to my photos on my phone. Say I go select a picture like this, and I just select it and go and push AirDrop to, and then it shows up on here, and there it is. Pretty easy, quick. The fastest, the quality, the really good thing about this is the quality does not change. So you don't lose any quality of the photo, of the pixels or anything like that. And it's instant, and you can do it between a MacBook, a phone, and an iPad. So, and it doesn't use any data or nothing like that. Another one is live photos. If you don't know what live photos are, they're actually a little clip of a photo, so like a small mini video. And basically what it is with 3D Touch, you can, if you push them, you can view them, and it'll show you little content on the back end, not just the photo. So what I'm gonna do is take a photo and make sure my live is on. And then what it is here, and here's your live button right up here. You can turn it on or off. And then you go to it, just a photo, but if you hold it, it has a little bit of movement. You guys can see that. So it's basically a little mini clip. Now it's really cool, but what you gotta remember, if it's always on live photo, it takes up a lot more space, and you'll use a lot more space with your photos a lot quicker because it's actually a short video clip. So only use live photo when you really can see the advantage of it, I think is the best way, because it will eat up your memory in your phone very, very quickly. Hey guys, so we're kind of doing 2 in 1 here, because one is screen recording and the other one is 3D Touch and preview functions of that. So what I'm gonna do now is go to my screen recording and start recording my screen. And then it records everything I do on screen plus volume. So with 3D Touch, it's just a preview. So if I push with a little bit more pressure than normal, it'll bring this up. Like these are pictures. And then like if I do messages, it'll bring up like the latest message. And then phone calls, same thing, and you can actually put favorites in here, like your favorites are in the bottom. You can search, and it just tries to cut out steps of what you're already gonna do, but just makes it simpler. And this is on any 6S and newer model, has a 3D Touch, and it's just a different pressure of your screen. And it's really cool. I use it a lot with messages. I use it a lot with when I'm reading something. You can actually preview, and it'll zoom in, and you can put it your spacebar exactly if you're typing something where you want it, instead of like trying to find it on your screen like it used to be. You basically, and I'll just go in here and go, and if you start typing something, you can just go to where it's at instead of coming up here and trying to figure it out and all that. So lots of really good stuff with that, and I'm sure there's things it does that I don't even know about. But if you don't know about 3D Touch, it's very, very helpful. And then the screen recording just records your screen and any volume that comes with that. Now you can't record phone calls. That is not available on the iPhone. I think with a certain app you might be able to, but it has to let the other user know you're recording, to my knowledge. One last thing, multifunction. So on all the iPhones up until the iPhone 10, it's all slide up from the bottom. And the iPhone 10 slide down, but it's all slide up from the bottom. And these are all your multifunctions. Like I have flashlights, timer, calculator, camera, alarm, screen recording, just voice recording, and then search. And then there's also all the hotkeys with the Wi-Fi, airplane mode, music, screen, all that. How you change those and customize it is actually go into if I can find it. Say stop it.
All right, guys, if you like this content and want to see more content like it, like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to leave some info or feedback down below. We're going to be posting videos bi-weekly, so coming out every couple weeks, and sometimes more than that, maybe if you guys show some interest. So, yeah, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.